I guess I should say hi. Hey friends, it's me. I'm back for more fun stuff. Let's try that again. What the fuck? What is the point of even having this if it's not going to work when I want it to? I'm just kind of disappointed. Well, while I try to figure out my sound effects, I guess I could talk to you guys. How was your guys' week? That sucks. Mine was okay. I hope. My hair doesn't look stupid, right? I have pigtails. Thanks, guys. So that was pretty good, right? What else do we have? I feel like I'm on the set of Maury Povich just then, and you are not the father. In all actuality, this video is probably not going to be funny. Wait for it. Wait for it. Let's hope that it works this time, because this is the 4th time I've tried this. And I keep having to stop. And so I have a lot of, like, 2-minute videos where I'm like, okay, guys, how's it going? We're going to do the sound effects. What the fuck? I like that one. When did I get boobs? Anyway. I'm not really sure what my reaction was supposed to be to that one. No? No, stupid. That was stupid, I'm sorry. You don't know me! You don't know me! That's exactly how it goes down every time. Yeah, and then the dad comes out and Maury says, "You are not the father." And then she's, whoa! Thank you. Thank you. No, you guys, it's all you. It's all you. Wait, is there a buy button? I don't think there's a buy button. So we'll go with this one.